Two powerful blenders, one choice. Let's compare the NutriBullet blender and the Ninja Foodi Power Blender and Processor. If you stay till the end, we'll give you a bonus tip to elevate your blending game. First off, the NutriBullet blender provides a 1200 watts of power, 3 precision speeds, and a pulse function for full blending control. The vented, VPA-free pitcher is dishwasher safe, ready to handle hot soups and sauces. Everybody that has tried this blender loves it for its quality, easy cleaning, and exceptional blending performance. On the flip side, the Ninja Foodi Power Blender and Processor boast a robust 1400 peak watt motor with smart torque technology for consistent power. With 6 Auto IQ programs and variable speed control, it's versatile for smoothies, bowls, spreads, chopping, and dough. The included nutrient extraction cup and smoothie bowl maker add to its functionality. All this is to say that if you prioritize precise control, easy cleaning, and hot food blending, go for the NutriBullet blender. For a versatile powerhouse that excels in smoothies, bowls, spreads, and dough mixing, choose the Ninja Foodi Power Blender and Processor. As for the bonus tip, if you want to enhance your blending experience, add a handful of frozen fruits to your smoothies. This not only adds a refreshing twist, but also creates a thicker, more enjoyable consistency. Happy blending!